What do I know about carpet cleaning? Zero. I'm sorry, 2-0. So I saw all the time the truck, the yellow truck coming near my warehouse. It says Stanley Steamer, and I decide to call them. Everybody ask me, everybody that's bringing the rug to my warehouse or ship the item from all over the United States, they ask me, how did you came with this idea to remove the urine odor? How did you do that? And especially when I deliver the rug to my customers and they go on their knees and smell the rug in the area where the cats used to pee, and it smells so bad, and now the smell gone completely, they ask me, how did you do that? When I came to America, I came with a big dog, a Mastiff Neapolitan. But he peed one time on the Oriental rug. I have a beautiful Saruk rug. It's more than 120 years. And he peed one time. There's so much big pee-pee, it was like impossible to remove. But what do I know about removing urine odor? Nothing. I'm a wildlife photographer. I published the book, Desert Birds of Israel. I love birds. I'm a photographer. What do I know about carpet cleaning? Zero. And here I am in America, and I have a beautiful rug from Morocco to Israel and to United States. And now I have this rug, smell bad. Anytime then I come to the living room, what a smell. The smell drives me off. I just move from the living room. I move even the TV. Then I decide, okay, I roll the rug and I put it in the garage. And I know that, so I said, I have to take care of it. I saw all the time the truck, the yellow truck coming near my warehouse, and I decide to call them. I have a beautiful Oriental rug and da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I need to be clean, not a problem. Tomorrow, 10 o'clock, the guy will come over. Okay. Next morning, 2 guys came over, very nice guys. They look at the rug, they smell it, they said, not a problem. We can clean it, it's an easy part. You sure? Yeah, it's an easy part. We do it all day long, and this is something, then it's very simple. Okay, so you can clean it. Yes, absolutely. Good. They cleaned the rug. They finish over there. You would like to put some deodorizer on it so it's going to smell better. What do I know about carpet cleaning? Zero. Go ahead. You know, we can put some protection on it so you will protect the rug from the next accident it's going to be. I said, okay, go ahead. How much is it? $12. No problem. Go ahead. You put it in on this one. I paid them. Happy. They left. The same day I'm sitting over there in the living room. Sure, the smell gone. The smell was so bad in my living room. And I said, maybe it's because they just clean it. Maybe it's still damp. And wait a couple days. I wait a couple days. It still smells. So I called the company and I complained. You know, the 2 guys came over here about a week ago, and this one, the rug still smells. She said to me, the lady over the phone, you know, we are not guaranteed the removal of the urine odor. Oh, really? Why they didn't tell me? She said, because you asked for a carpet cleaning. You asked to clean. I said, it's not the same? She said, no. Oh, really? So next time if I need your service, I need a pet problem, so I have to call it. I said, do you guarantee to remove the urine odor? She said, yes. Okay. So do you guarantee to remove the urine odor? And she said, no. This is America. Ask the right question, you will receive the right answer. Now, the mistake that I did is I called the company to clean the rug. And the reason I'm supposed to call them is not to clean the rug, it's to remove the urine odor. I don't need to clean the rug. The rug is clean. Nobody do anything. I never fix my car on the rug. I never did exercise on the rug. I don't have any machine. No, it's a clean rug, but it smells. It means I don't need carpet cleaning. I need odor removal service. And I have to ask Stanley Steamer a different question. So what do I know about carpet cleaning? 0, and now I become educated 1%. It means I don't need carpet cleaning. I don't need to clean the rug from dirt and soil. I need the removal of the urine odor. So what do I know about carpet cleaning? 0%, and now I'm having another 0, another 1 and 0. Now I know 10% about carpet cleaner. Okay, so if I will ask you right now, Stanley Steamer, can you come over to my house and remove the urine odor and give me a guarantee in writing, no urine odor? They said, we will do the best. We have to use a live enzyme. Probably. It's going to be extra? She said, no, because you already paid. You don't have to pay. I said, okay, send the guy. They do it for free. Haha, good. So they're going to use a live enzyme. Okay. So the guy came over, pulled the machine over there, a little bit sour face, a little bit not happy. Steamed the carpet, put the live enzyme on it, and this one finished, say to me, thank you, and he left. The smell in my rug was so bad from chemicals, then I want to throw up. I realized, then I become much more smarter. Now I know 0% about carpet cleaning and 30% knowledge. I said, it still smells. This company cannot do it for me. They tricked me, they took the money. I didn't know how to ask the right question. So this time I learned, and I said, you know what? Next time when I'm going to order a service, I will ask them, do you guarantee to remove the odor? Which odor? The question is, which odor? The odor that it's present in the rug right now, then it's odor of pee-pee, or the odor of the chemical the Stanley Steamer left in the rug. I want my rug to be smelled like wool. Wool, nothing else in the rug. I don't want you to put not Chanel 5 and not Estee Lauder and not... I don't want it. I want it to be smelled as wool. Can I get it? Good luck. I realize that every company that I called, I asked them, do you guarantee in writing to clean, to remove the pee-pee odor from the rug? And I want your cleaning product to be odor-free. So I don't want you to deposit any chemical smell into my rug and say to me, you don't smell pee-pee, you smell a terrible smell of chemicals. I don't want, not this. I don't want it. I want this, my rug, to be smelled wool. I realize that nobody in this world can do that. And I am the only one on the face of the earth that can remove the odor from the rug completely without depositing any unpleasant smell into the rug. And this is the big issue, because educated consumer know what to ask. if you ask every carpet cleaner, every Oriental rug cleaner, any service that pretend to remove the pee-pee, ask them, do you guarantee in writing the removal of the urine odor without depositing any unpleasant smell into the rug? Good luck if you find anyone in the United States. PetPeePee, we are the only one guarantee in writing urine odor removal without depositing any unpleasant smell, because the blended minerals from the Dead Sea is odor free. Thank you for watching PetPeePee. My name is Meir Martin. What do I know about carpet cleaning? 100% today. Thank you.